mag-ano kami ngayon, mag-picnic sa labas.
Then,
I'm gonna wash my hands first. So I don't want the belly get dirty. Lalagay mo kapag nag-grill ka.
toyo. Mga ganun. Magtubig naman paglagyan ng toyo. Kasi hindi naman siya na-marinate. Kung na-marinate.
Asin lang.
Ganun. Tapos,
Isa-usawan naman niya sa ano, toyo. May ano ka, may kamatis. Ano kami, mag-grill kami ng pork belly. Kasi, magsiswimming kami ngayon sa swimming pool. Yan.
oh, ay ano yan?
Ay! This one! This is a pork belly.
Pork belly?
Yeah, so we're going to
really, honey?
grill this one outside next to the pool.
And then, what are we gonna do today? Oh, you're wearing your swimsuit?
Oh yeah, there's my shirt.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Are we gonna put a magic syrup on this one or not?
Yeah, we have a lot of magic syrup.
Yes.
There you go. Oh, yan. Magic-magicin mo na yan para sumarap.
So ito siya, ang magic syrup. Yan. So nakakatulong ito pang pasarap ng pagkain kahit wala ka nang ilalagay ng mga kahit ano dyan. Pag mayroong sarap, pag mayroong magic, sarap. Yan. So, ha? Pag walang magic, hindi sarap. Right? So, yan, i-ano mo lang yan, ibubod. Ano yung tawag doon? Ibudbud? Ibudbud? Ibudbud mo lang yan hanggang sa sumarap. And then rub, rub, rub! Rub, rub, rub lang yan. Pangpasarap sa pagkain. Yan. So it's gonna be exciting today because we're gonna go swimming. And are you gonna wear a bikini?
Oh yes, babe. I'm gonna wear a bikini, of course. Yeah, they're not allowed for... You have to wear a bikini.
Really?
Yeah, they're not allowed for your pants to go swimming. You
What
know?
about shorts?
Bikini shorts, yeah. No.
Ubusin ko na lang ito eh.
Ubusin mo, marami tayo dyan. Pag yan lang gusto mo. Gusto mo ng kape?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. Hindi nga lang social yung kape ko, ha?
It's alright. I drink anything, honey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm not a picky person. I drink whatever.
Yes.
Yeah.
So everyone, yeah, this make very. Where are you from, babe?
Oh, I'm from Georgia.
Georgia. Oh, thank you for. How many hours you drive to come here, California?
Oh, I don't remember because I was sleeping while I was in the road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're sleeping while you're driving? Oh. You're sleeping.
You know what? It took me 30 minutes to drive from the house to here.
Oh, it's not far.
Yeah, it's not that bad. So guys, we're making coffee right now because we need it for more energy today because I know it's gonna be a long day for us. So we have to drink coffee instead of what is it? Monster drink.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Monster drink is not good.
yeah.
Serve yourself, babe. Hindi nga lang ma-upload yun kasi ano eh, malapit tayo eh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I made a mess.
It's okay.
Oh no. Where's the
Okay lang yan. Okay lang man yan, Zoe.
I didn't know that it's already open. I Alright guys, I'm drinking hazelnut flavor from International Delight. So, what kind of coffee is this? It's a Colombian.
Yeah. No, I had the. I don't know what is the.
Yeah, it's a Colombian here.
Okay.
Yeah.
They call that. Do you eat cilantro, babe?
Oh yeah, I like cilantro.
Alright.
I love it. I love cilantro.
Oh, cilantro.
Delicious.
Deliciosa.
That's so hot.